time you see me, I'm in my sin. What's the use of getting sober when you're gonna get drunk again? I went out last night about 1:30. I thought I'd hoop it up a little bit, you know, and have a little fun. I got me a half a pint, about 2:30.
I heard you last night with that floozy. I ought to call the cops.
You're just jealous. What the hell's the matter with people?
Help!
Fuck! Shit! Whoa! Oh, fuck!
You're asking for trouble with that thing. Get away before I shove it up your ass.
Jesus! Shit! Whoa!
and Sons Grocery. Empire Bay's favorite groceries for over 35 years.
You know, I was having a good time until I met you. Oh, Jesus!
Why she almost drives you mad? Well, you love that woman so much.
I heard you last night with that floozy. I ought to call the cops.
What the hell's the matter with people?
Fresh hot dog. No horse cock bologna here. Fresh hot dog. Oh, beef. Fresh hot dog. No horse cock bologna here. Fresh hot dog. No horse cock bologna here.
Oh, Jesus! Give it up! At this rate, you ain't even gonna make it to court! Oh, fuck! There you are, you little... We need to talk. Sound good to you? Ah, shit! Get over here, you little fuck! Gonna kill this little prick. Can't you take his beating like a man? this again?
It wasn't me. I swear it was Stan. Please, it wasn't me. I didn't say nothing to nobody. You gotta believe me. It was Stan. He's the one who brought the stamps, I swear.
Sorry, pal. I heard that one.
I ain't lying. It was Stan who told the cops, not me, I swear. Please.
All right, let's pretend I believe you. Where's Stan right now?
His shift just ended. He's heading straight to the train station, catching the 5 o'clock to Brooklyn. Ain't coming back till he has to testify.
You know what's gonna happen if you're lying to me.
Provide enough glycerin to make a full pound of gunpowder. So make sure you take your fat down to the
Hey, look
butcher
on the
shop
bright
today.
side. Would have been a
Every
bus.
little bit counts. Remember, ladies, even you can make a difference.
Oh, son of a... Another day, another trip to the body shop. Hey, Stan! Where you going? Shit! I just want to talk! You're starting to piss me off. You guys are fucking circus freak. Gonna kill this prick. you going?
Watch it now!
I want you to listen real careful, Stan. Leave town tonight, and you ain't gonna come back.
Fine. But it ain't gonna make a difference.
What the hell's that supposed to mean?
Nothing.
You got yourself 9 good fingers left. Wanna make it 8?
Somebody else. Somebody who knows about a lot more than just the OPA robbery. DA says he's gonna take down everybody. The DA's gunning for you. He's gonna take down your whole operation.
Who is this guy?
No idea. Oh! I heard the cops. The cops are keeping him safe somewhere. Guess I wasn't important enough for that.
You're not. Remember that. Now get your ass up. You got a train to catch.